Hello guys, hope so you are doing good. In this video I will show you how to fix screen dimming in Moto G77. First of all, turn off adaptive brightness. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on display. Now here you will see adaptive brightness, and if you want to turn off adaptive brightness, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off adaptive brightness from your phone. Now go back. After that, turn off dark mode. Again open setting, scroll down, again click on display, scroll down. Now here you will see dark theme, and if you want to disable dark mode, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off dark mode from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your phone. Now go back. After that, reset accessibility setting. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset options, scroll down, click on reset device setting, and again click on reset device setting. After click on reset device setting, all setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix screen dimming in Moto G77. I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.